Hello, what I have for you today is this 10-pin Clavis lock. It has two rows, one in the upper left, one and in the upper right. 5 pins each. It's not too difficult. Rather easy, but it's fun to pick. Let's tension it this way. Okay. Pin 1. That's a click. Again. Pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Okay, let's leave this row for now. Now the left row. Pin 1, small click. Pin 2, small click. Pin 3 is fine. Pin 5 is binding. Click. 4 is fine. After touching 3, we got into a full set. Let's check the pins now. 1 seems fine. 2 seems fine. 3 seems like it needs a click. So let's click it. And we are open. So yeah, there is some either mushrooms or spools in this lock. And it's a nice lock to pick. That's the housing. We can put it aside for now. Okay. Let's start with the left row. Alright. Chamber number 1. Chamber 2. Chamber 3. Chamber 4 and chamber 5. From this side. Now the other side, so the right one. Okay, the rows are backwards, I think, but we'll figure this out in a moment. Okay, that's it. Okay, rows are backwards, so let's put this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are mushrooms, and these are backwards as well, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm taking a look if this does make sense. And yes, okay, now it's correct. Alright, let's see it and wrap up. Pretty much, not pretty much, just every single pin is a mushroom spool. Sometimes they're called. That's how they look like. Okay, that's the right, so that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and from the left 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and bye bye.